My party has got a NRI Global Goan Cell. Because Goans are not only in Goa, they are all over the world. And they have got the conveners in every country. So we discussed this, we debated and we came to you also that we would like to demand a dual citizenship for the state of Goa. Goans. You see, in Pondicherry they have got that. Why not Goa? This is one part. The second part is many people who were from the older generation, they got their names registered in the central registry in Lisbon. And as per the Portuguese law as on today, the moment you register there, you are deemed to be a Portuguese citizen. So these people are innocent people. The election commission should not use this to disqualify these people from their voting rights. We are going to protest against this. And we knew that this BJP government was shedding crocodile tears, saying that they will protect these people. Today, after the election commission has come to Goa, we realized that these were only empty promises. They were only crocodile tears. They have got a sinister design to see that Goans are deprived and denied of the voting rights in their own land.